Hello and welcome to the video tour here for the Teal at Heanton Lea Gardens, which is our show home currently. These properties are built by Chichester Developments, brilliant local builders that are award-winning with trophy homes, as you can see, finished to the top specifications of modern living. Each home has eco-credentials throughout, including electric car charging, air source heating and underfloor heating to the ground floor as well. So let's take a look around this fantastic 4-bed design. And as you can see, it's a generous entrance hall with plenty of space. The downstairs cloakroom. Stairs to first floor. Really impressive size lounge. Dual aspect to let the light in, and what I really love about this design is that bay window to the front, creating a real nice feature. As you can see, it's a very well proportioned living room, plenty of space for all your furnishings and sofa suites. Understairs cupboard. And as you can see, this one has been fitted throughout with the beautiful oak effect LVT luxury vinyl tiles, which allow for the underfloor heating to benefit at the maximum, but give that real quality effect as well. You've got an impressive kitchen dining room to the rear here. As you can see, with a breakfast bar area, well equipped kitchen, double bank oven, integral fridge freezer, induction hob with pan drawers and everything equipped underneath, dishwasher as well. And this side you've got a good dining space and a really handy utility cupboard, so you can shut the door on the washing machine and dryer, and obviously lovely double doors leading out into the garden. Which is entirely south facing, so naturally lit throughout all the day, and obviously great for the garden as well with the sun. Let's just take a look upstairs. Okay, so here we are on the landing, and just as we go around, I'll talk about a few of the qualities extra that Chichester put in place to ensure you've got a fantastic home with all the warranties that you need. So each property comes with LABC warranties for 10 years. And up here you've got 4 bedrooms, currently dressed as a study, but would easily make a comfortable bedroom with open outlook to the top there. Got a really useful overstairs cupboard, which could be a wardrobe. You've got 3 really nice double bedrooms here, this being bedroom 2, and as you can see, a really nice size. A bank of fitted wardrobes as well, plenty of room for a double bed or bigger. Bedroom 3, I really like this room. It's nice and light, it's benefiting from that south aspect. As you can see, comfortably fits a double bed too, which is dressed with a single room with dressing suite. Family bathroom. Shower over the bath, again with that LVT flooring downstairs, and the main bedroom, which is a really impressive room. This obviously follows the footprint of the lounge, so you've got that lovely bay window to the front there, which is a fantastic feature, letting the light in. You've got ample space, more fitted wardrobes, and of course an ensuite shower room as well. And that open outlook over Heanton Hill. Let's just take a look in the garden. So here we are in the rear garden for this plot, which as you can see benefits from a fantastic sized garden here on the corner, with a large patio area, landscaped lovely throughout with shrubs to the borders and pergola to the side there with a path coming down. You've got rear access to your garage, side access too, and obviously that's your air source heat pump for all the heating. Outside plugs and lighting is included as standard. And obviously this one's got a particularly large plot to the corner as well, You can see all south facing and a great size. One thing very notable about Heanton Lea Gardens is the space that you get up here. Each plot is well spaced. There's plenty of greenery areas throughout as well, which, as you can see on the map here, got plenty of rainwater gardens, pathways, and just everything is spaced out to maximise that open light living on such a fantastic development. So that concludes the video tour here for the teal design at Heanton Lea. If you'd like more information on this plot or any others, please do, of course, give us a call on 01271 812 263, and we'll be more than happy to help.